everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're gonna be having a little bit of a chat about the subconscious mind, some misunderstandings that I have observed and I want to clear up that will help you to affirm with a more ease of mind and more effectively. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I just launched my brand new course, The Game of Alignment. I have been getting amazing feedback and I'm so excited for you to join. This course is all about staying in the flow of life, using your happiness to your advantage to manifest anything that you want seamlessly, effortlessly, without you having to think about it too much. It just all coming to you at the speed of light, while you're also living your best life. That is like the deal of a lifetime. So check that out at ritakaminski.com/courses or click the very first link in the description box down below. Have a read of the frequently asked questions, have a read of the module breakdown. I will see you in there. Finally, I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. This is something that I spotted when I was emailing with a client. If you do want to book one-on-one coaching with me, you can do so by going on ritakaminski.com/coaching or clicking the fourth or fifth link in the description box down below. I believe it will say book one-on-one coaching with me here, or there's a link in the pinned comments as well. And there's absolutely no shade to this client whatsoever. I'm so happy that these emails were brought up and I totally understand where she was coming from. And it's not just this client, it is a lot of people that I have seen and observed, from my subscribers to the law of assumption community as a whole, and of course my clients and my students that are taking my courses. Your subconscious mind is not stupid. Actually, your subconscious mind is you. In the law of assumption community, I don't know where this has come from, but we tend to talk about the subconscious mind like it is some god, but it's you. And unless you're saying, yes, the subconscious mind is a god because I am a god, I don't want to hear anything else other than that. You are no separate to your subconscious mind. I feel like we have put the subconscious mind on a pedestal and we are scurrying like rats trying to find the perfect affirmation to fit our specific desires. My clients ask me, is this affirmation better or is this affirmation better, so my subconscious mind can understand what I want? Your subconscious mind understands what you want because your subconscious mind is you. The only thing that we are doing with these affirmations are taking the steering wheel of focus and driving it into the direction that we want to go. But rest assured, when you say I am in a committed relationship with SP, or one that I remember a long time ago was my client being worried that when she said my SP and I are happily married, does that mean that maybe it will be that she's happily married with someone else and her SP is happily married with someone else? No, your subconscious mind is not your biggest op. It's only trying to help you. Your subconscious mind is not a separate human. It's nothing but your mind. So the only thing that we want to do is direct it and feed it information that we want for it to act out in the 3D reality. You don't need to bend over backwards or try to concise this paragraph long affirmation that hits all of your anxieties and is so detailed to the point where you run out of breath. An example of this is when Neville Goddard got his clients to do the Isn't It Wonderful challenge, and each of them got something out of it, and it was completely different to each person because each and every single person has a different perception of what wonderful means. So rest assured, when you say everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy, or I'm in a happy relationship with SP, or SP is acting exactly how I want them to, whatever affirmation you say, as long as you are repeating it, as long as it's natural for you to say and easy and not super complicated, you're okay. Your subconscious mind will fulfill that order for you. It's not a separate entity that's like, oh, she's not specific enough, so I'm not gonna give this to her. It's not like that story in The Genie in a Bottle where he needed to be really, really specific with what he said, or the genie gave him some sort of a whack version of his wish. It's your subconscious mind. Emphasis on the your. It's yours, it's you. So you know exactly what you mean when you say everything in my life is perfect. If you're really worried, you can do the list method. You can write down all the things you mean, and by just looking at it once and remembering it, when you say your affirmation, you will know that your subconscious mind is acting out on all of the things that you just wrote down. But the thing is that your subconscious mind is so powerful and it's so inherently in you, it's you, that you can even list things that you forgot and your subconscious mind will still manifest the things that you forgot to write down. It's tailored specifically for you. It's not some magical person on your shoulder. And a lot of this, I feel like, stems from having a low self-concept, not believing in yourself and the law of assumption. And to that I say, guys, believe in yourself. You are not dumb. Your subconscious mind is not dumb. You're powerful. When you say that something is what it is, it's instantly that. That is just the law of assumption, just like the law of gravity. And everything that you have right now, you manifested. So just how powerful are you and your subconscious mind to do that? Don't be afraid of your subconscious mind. Don't put it on a pedestal and make it something that it's not. It's just you. Your only job is to continue to repeat your affirmations, and that's it. Your subconscious mind will fill in the blanks. Your subconscious mind will fill in the blanks. Your subconscious mind will fill in the blanks.
Also, I want to add, when you manifested things unconsciously in the past, did you have to think about your manifestation? Everything is a manifestation now, from what school you go to the people that you know. Every single thing is a manifestation. So, did you have to sit there and think a specific type of way to manifest these people and this school into your life? No, you didn't. It's the same way for conscious manifesting. I understand that some things are different manifesting consciously because we've never manifested consciously before, but most things, when you reverse engineer them, they make sense. So no, you didn't have to say every single detail of what school you were going to go to or what kind of friends you had. It all just flowed into your life.
Again, when people feel like they need to spoon feed their subconscious mind every single little detail, it's actually reinforcing the belief that the subconscious mind is something outside of them. It's infantilizing yourself. It's making yourself actually quite small, and all you need to do is be confident and know that everything that you're doing is more than enough, because you are powerful right now. There's nothing that you're doing wrong. There's nothing ever that you're doing wrong. If you're watching this message is for you. Trust me, work on your self-concept, because when you have a high self-concept, you always know that you're right. There is nothing that you do ever that is wrong. Stand firm in that. Your subconscious mind already knows what you want. You're simply just giving the subconscious mind a spotlight of that specific desire, because we have so many things that are going around in our minds, and we're not using the subconscious mind to create something. That's why we don't need to be detailed. We're simply just spotlighting that of which already exists, your desire, and you're telling your subconscious mind about it. No matter what affirmation you use, at the end of the day, it's going to compute. It's going to print it out in the way that you want. You must trust that. You must trust in yourself. For example, if you assume that you're beautiful and you are affirming, I am beautiful, you don't need to list each and every single feature. Your subconscious naturally just aligns with everything in the state of beauty, in what you think beauty is. Your job is just to assume that you have this thing now, or at least repeat it until you get into that state, not to micromanage every single detail. That's another thing that delays your manifestation. When you are trying to appease your subconscious mind in a way, whenever you're sort of lowering yourself to your subconscious mind, you're believing and getting into the state that your subconscious mind needs to be convinced of something. It doesn't. I cannot say this enough. You're not doing anything wrong. Everything that you do is perfect. You're a master manifester. Your subconscious mind knows exactly what you mean. It's printing it out for you. Just keep going, keep repeating, keep telling it what you want to happen. Don't stress about the details. Just affirm one simple sentence. It is not stupid. We're not explaining to the subconscious mind. We're reminding the subconscious mind. We're putting a spotlight to the subconscious mind of that thing, that desire that we want, that we have it right here in this 3D reality. So just relax. You've got this. Instead of obsessing over the details, just step into the state of having it now. Trust that your subconscious mind is always working in your favor. It's not your bully. It's not your mom. It's not a celebrity. Don't put it up on a pedestal. It's not Neville Goddard. It's not the highest of powers. It's you. It's the God in you. But that's you. You've got it. Y'all are working together. Y'all are one. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. Comment on this video saying, I trust my subconscious mind. I am a master manifester. I manifest everything I want instantly. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a fire content like this, which is every day, and share this with someone who needs to hear this message. Again, don't forget to go on ritakaminski.com/courses to check out the game of alignment, or click that very first link in the description box down below. And with that, I hope you have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.